Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for the CTV USA, and here are the major headlines. A video shared on Instagram by former basketball player Dwayne Wade shows Tiger Woods playing in Los Angeles before a dramatic car crash. Continue discussions with the US regulators to determine any additional steps that are needed to ensure these aircraft meet our rigorous safety standards and can return to service. Aston Martin expects to almost double sales and move back towards profitability this year. After sinking deeper into the red zone in 2020, when the luxury car maker was hit by the pandemic and the company also changed its boss and was forced to raise cash. The car maker of choice for fictional secret agent James Bond has had a tough time since floating in 2018, as it failed to meet expectations, promoting it to seek fresh investment from billionaire executive chairman Lawrence Stroll. For 2020, it expects to see the first steps towards improved profitability but is likely to post a pre-tax loss. 3-year-old Jonathan was playing with his brother Alfonso Juan in their garden in Colombia on September 25, 1987, when a family friend approached, inviting him to buy candy. Jonathan went with this man, vanishing without a trace for 32 years. Older brother Juan Alfonso, then 5, was looking out the window when the man took his brother and grew up with his mother Anne's grief over the disappearance. Years later, in 1994, the man came to the house and alleged the boy's stepfather had asked him to take the child. He said falsely that Jonathan had been adopted in the United States. Juan then vowed to find his brother. In 2019, Juan got a message from a 34-year-old lawyer in Norway who said he had been adopted at the age of 4 and was trying to find his biological family. The message said, "The DNA results suggest that you are my half brother, uncle, or nephew. It seems that I am closer to finding more information about what happened in Colombia in the 80s." Juan went to Norway in January 2020 to meet Jonathan, now John. The brothers then returned to Colombia. "I've always wanted to find my family," said John. "It was hard for me throughout my childhood not knowing about my biological family." Trapped in Colombia by a coronavirus lockdown on a visit last year, Jonathan studied Spanish and celebrated the 29 birthdays with his Colombian family. Thank you for